Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. I still don't know what to do with my hands when I'm doing this. It's pandemic pantry style because I'm still here. I am Oz. Jack and Letty are in Lake Jackson. That's about an hour away from here. And I'm trying to keep anybody from getting sick, so we're doing the social distancing thing, doing the right thing, staying home, staying safe. So, today, before I forget, again, I guess I forgot already once, but I'm sorry I'm not wearing my proper chef's coat. I hope you take me seriously, but all my laundry's dirty and I haven't had a chance to do it. So this is what I got. So it's Sunday, and you're going to get this on Tuesday, but it's Sunday, so I'm going to try a thing I've never had, brunch, right? It's supposed to be really fancy, pinky out style, right? I've had meals in between breakfast and lunch, never had brunch. So we're going to do the Eggs Benedict. We're going to get all that stuff done. Gonna try it out, be all fancy, and be broke and keep it in between the budget. Stay after the credits, man. I'm gonna have a little surprise for you, and we'll get into that. Before we do that, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell. I don't know what corner it's in anymore. You'll get notifications when we do these on Tuesdays and Fridays, and let's just jump right into it. You're gonna need these English muffins, usually one per person, right? They're really easy to come across. I'm gonna use the hollandaise sauce that comes in this packet. It's like $1, right? Gonna need a little bit of butter and some milk and eggs, man. You're gonna make Eggs Benedict, gotta have eggs. Get the decent sized ones and you're good to go. So you're gonna need a pot that's relatively deep, man. You want where your egg will float in it, right? Because we're poaching them. This is just how it's done, man. So get your water, get it up to steam. Right, and then get you another pot, and then you're going to do your hollandaise sauce in this, man. So it's going to be the 1 cup of milk. Oop, it's just by the packet instructions, right? And then you're going to start stirring that up, right? Once you put the powder in, man, you got to knock it all out there. Make sure you get all the edges, rattle, right? And then you're supposed to whisk it. I just use a fork and through the magic of movie magic, I can beat it down a little bit. Once it gets done, get it cooked up. Keep stirring it, man. Let it start boiling is what you want it to do. Once it starts boiling, then you're going to throw in your half a stick of butter. All right, once it's doing that, well, while it's doing that, go ahead and split your English muffin here. Just use any kind of knife, man. I just use a steak knife because I'm risking my thumbs. Use a toaster. You can use an oven. You can use a toaster oven. Just get those toasted. Yeah, it just makes it a lot easier and it tastes a lot better. Then, like I said, it's boiling. Put your butter in there. Stir it around till that butter melts. And then when it's done, turn it down, remove it, cover it, and let it sit, man. But that butter, man, I've never tried this stuff until I made it today, and it is really good, man. It is something new. Well, yeah, once it's melted down, you got it boiling, you got it stirred for like a minute. Boom, turn that off, cover it, move it, done. So now your water, you don't want it to get to a full rolling boil. You want it to where it's really boiling hot, right? Then to help out, what you're gonna do is add a little bit of salt, just regular like table salt, like this stuff, right? And then you're gonna add a splash of vinegar, just regular old vinegar. Just a couple of splashes. It helps the whites stick together, is what I've been told. And when I've done it, that's what it does. Get you a ramekin or a bowl, right? A ramekin is just a really small bowl. And you're going to need a spoon. It's kind of smooth. It's got a bit of a dip in it. All right? Now, here's the trick. Once you get the water hot, you don't want it boiling hot. You're going to get your spoon, and you're going to start stirring it, right? You're going to make a little whirlpool in there. You know, you've done it like in the bathtub when you was a kid or in a pool. Right, just a little soft one, not like full on sucking everything to the bottom. And then get your ramekin, and this is the magic part. You take your egg and just go ahead and put it in there. Now, once you put it in here, you can see if the egg is the yolk is busted, or if there's shell in it, or any of that kind of stuff. You can look in there, see it's all put together. You're good to go. So once you get that done, spoon, small whirlpool, spinny, right? Just not too psycho fast, right? Just put it in there, and you want to gently put it in the middle of your spinning water there. It'll help the whites stick together, right? Just pour it in there. A little faster than I did. Right? Put it in there, and then use your spoon and just keep a little bit on it. You don't want to be like psycho swirling, whatever. Now, while it's in there, if you want like soft center, you'll see it cooks pretty fast, right? If you want it really soft and runny in the middle, you're going to cook it for about 2, maybe 3 minutes at the most. If you want it hard in the middle, you're going to want to do at least 4 minutes, right? It's going to look like it's all separating, whatever. But after that 2 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever, I use a fork to kind of drain the water off because I don't like that extra water shit. And it sits in there. That's a poached egg. It's a boiled egg without a shell. This one I only did for like 2, maybe 3 minutes because it's really, really wiggly. They just bloop, right on top here in this muffin. Boom, that's it. And just do it for all 4 of them or 2 of them or whatever you're doing, right? So I got these on here. You take that hollandaise sauce that's been warm sitting over there. and then just drown it in that shit. Just put it on there. It's good stuff. It'll overpower most of it, but that's good because most of it tastes like eggs. So there you have it, man. Eggs Benedict and getting set up for brunch. Brunch? What? You thought that was all the brunch was? Hang tight, motherfuckers. Here's the special shit. It's time to make some mimosas. So this is what you need, man. You need champagne. This is a really fancy $5 stuff. And you're going to need some orange juice. And I got this stuff that's got pineapple juice in it because I got to drink it. And because champagne ain't that fancy and this is Texas, I got mezcal. I got me some tequila. So we're going to do it right. Now, you're supposed to do it in the flutes. I ain't got no flutes. So I got these fancy tiki cups. Yeah. So first things first, you got to figure out how to open champagne. I'm not much on champagne or patience, so I'm trying to get this open. And this took a while, man. Magic of movies here. TV magic. I'm trying to get this open. I just started pulling and tugging on it, twisting it, and doing whatever. Almost got it. Like it. Yeah, there. And it blew my thumb off. Jesus. But I got it open. So this stuff fizzes pretty good. So it smells good though. But you get you like your tiki cups, fancy tiki cups, and just pour it in there. Now you pour it down the side like you're pouring beer, but it's just gonna be fizzy no matter what because it's fucking champagne. And then about half and half. Nobody really told me, but we always make them strong anyway. So pour your orange juice in there. Don't have to pour it down the side; it'll fizz up too much. So you get a little bit in there, right? However much you want to do. Boom. Do your 2 cups, and then get your mezcal. Make sure it's got the little worm in it, and then just split it between your buddies there. And now you set for brunch. So that's it, man. The Eggs Benedict, super cheap. It costs less than like $6, dude. All total, and then the booze and stuff was like another $5. So that's a little bonus. Almost went over budget, but that's what we did, man. It was absolutely great. Loved it. I want to do it again, but I can't do the booze again. So that'll be better next time. So there you go. Now you got brunch. You got mimosas with tequila in it because we Batman pajamas that way. And you got your Eggs Benedict, man. You set for brunch. There you go. I did it here with just everything I had, just that little package. The only thing I really had to go get in champagne. Like I carry that shit around all the time. Please excuse the sausage cooking in the corner because I can't just eat eggs for breakfast. Or brunch, I guess. Like I ain't never done it before, but I'll try it without. But that's how we do it. So there you have it, man. If y'all do it different, put it down in the comments. Y'all want to try it and it turns out great, put it down in the comments. You try it and it turns out horrible, fuck it. Put it in the comments. Let us know. We very much like hearing from you people. Speaking of which, you can find us at Facebook at Live Between Paychecks Kitchen there. You can find us on Pinterest. We've been putting stuff over there too. You can find us on Patreon. You want to help us out. Thank you very much. We upload almost all the time to Pinterest. You can find us at Live in Between there, man. Follow us over there, get updates here. Be sure to ring the little thing and get notifications. You can find us here all the time. We got like 120 something videos. Dude, we're doing all kind of stuff. This is Pandemic Pantry Fortune. We're shooting it from my apartment. I apologize about the mess and all the nerd shit in the wall, but I will catch y'all later. Stay safe.